Akwaba kese bi on the bar Adom TV so Adom TV so be dwumdwumadi so dia we can see we sempai sa kana no pensu ja me din the Prof EK Wallace agudie catch back up the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the Al-Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and medicine kunya na me kono kwanten kodin small do sa kana no pensu bio e wo Ghana gudim eba Kingdom Heba the Kingdom home estate in Swabe Peso, it's Mr. Kingdom Herba, the Kingdom Galley Bitters and Kingdom Galley Capsules Naba, New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules, so you remember Drew, more than that set me beating a bow, and added tremendous capsules, a man Druno was set to make a benusu to me bois, and Maniama 822 year at the mount. Now, for Kingdom Home Estate, added and Papa Power with a modern touch, no matter by affordable. Where your boga na so tia buruchide na so waga na ha obo brenye sika crap dan bi etia san Thomas Sumadwoa Kingdom Home Estate ho danse na medema no bambo ho sem kama ho na afa nyinam kane aba ana afa so ba wawa tutumeka fo ni kire Kingdom Home Estate for catch na afa penfo ma dan papa bi entento obetia fra Kingdom 0536149961 0536149961 na on Kingdom phone penfo ntwetwe nkumo ye kan Kingdom a omse no challenger omuso ni ti pen bia ba bia entuni om ebo mpunimpo ebetia sa hwe se dru na pato ana se dan na pato ebehwa boa e ma niam etiantutu ye dia mawo afi game park games edit the eagerly anticipated pick one game na aba arrival with the bank but more than that so do between sa gym numbers no twa from 1 to 36 na between sa twa mesra wokita 1 Ghana cedis ankopem 350 Ghana cedis between twa now where the 26 times we stake no into we try 1 Ghana cedi Saudi times 26 into teams and basika be dama and our sabetian san can dial *946# all networks na fe ubetian download na fe wetin code www.gamepark.com na for name pen for 20 cedis so honum Adom TV so draw na tudwa best 9 am 12 no e ba so na fe 6 pm etime ba so nti wendi anopa obetua di awia wendi awia nso obetua di anwumre obetua di anopa di awia san di anwumre nyina san di apeso no e friend obo salansa na aboa maniama etia kwedi ama Game Park Games say more mula more power regulated by the National Lottery Authority unimu fingo twa fa hunyim esan se chacha ediwa wadwene betia bomutim betia hihye wani sukra e betia who are you entia na ode adwene kakra etia ton tiwemu ene sponsors ne mu etoturo to ne atwotwo twa na no pa mo techira boa e ma ye dia wo kense hu sempa ensaka 8 meja yen sha semfa fi Spanish La Liga results etia sempa mu na Getafe 4 etmeche Granada ehwem 2-0 e wo sa kense boni akoma na hwa agro e Adom TV so yes Spanish La Liga komo kakra etia sempa mu ne di eja na fi entintom and so EPL English Premier League fixtures outdoor jam Adom no so betu ansamba so wo Nottingham nwerem Nottingham Forest jam Adom omne Arsenal for na dia kensi ni behia na afi Fulham ene Everton behia kan Luton Town ene Brighton and Hove Albion de beboss na afi so be ma Crystal Palace omne Sheffield United and so dia boss Aston Villa beton so dia Newcastle United na omso ehia kan we ene fixtures jam Adom no so betu apim no ane de hu sunsun so 8% jan tempa so yenko African Cup of Nations 2023 round of 16 matches ni mu ayere sementa ohwese na nema esi kwa na ese nu anadwo de sum na enika Cape Verde Islands 40 Mauritania etwemeka bako omantianti Cote d'Ivoire host nation omne Senegal 90 minutes of soccer fiesta all one and 18 p.m. but this penalties celebrity the boys from the men Kobase Cote d'Ivoire for winning 5-4 on penalties against Senegal the defending champions omane Senra enra 18 p.m. ewa Kensi Kesia 18 todwa Ivory Coast the host nation omne Senegal the defending champions ekoye 1-1 and after the extra time 20 times later na say separated the boys from the men what the penalty in the Kobase Ivory Coast host nation chess hamper a new broom sweeps but an old broom knows all the corners into the PM Osaka Kesi 22 Jano and the matches not as to Mali and Burkina Faso at the Pemsona from Morocco and South Africa for and so at the betting times na fair Nema ABC Ako Jumedia also a still on AFCON na member of parliament at the North Samuel Okuja to Blakwa on so the revelations be about for Ministry of Youth and Sports or mobile budget Tommy no and Kranicha say 8.5 million United States of Americans dollars and we Blasters campaign for 2023 African Cup of Nations na honkomo a watching ibini
documenta mlashe bidwani okujeto ablakwa aduato montene no wo kire se ena anu a Black Stars ngofo pusa wonum se Ministry of Sports enfa on budget om de call Cote d'Ivoire metudwa no o ma mfa ma ntene ono ne nsa ka wo kire se 8.5 million dollars ene akire ena Ministry of Sports epejade call Cote d'Ivoire o wanka ho nsem anchire obia ensem no betudwa no apogana fo pusa akopem se AFCON tournament yɛ egusu ibo yi obi obedi nkunim no wɔgye kuruwa no asan so agye $7 million ɛde nti ɔman Ghana ɛde budget $8.5 million ɛna ɛkɔɔ yɛ deɛ a na kyerɛ sɛ yɛkɔɔ yɛ anaasɛ yɛ bae nti nsɛm yɛ abɛyɛ dedede wɔ kurom a amansan dwene ho a wɔnte aseɛ.
Nti ne eno so etwensa pim no but Ghana for BGD pa say Minister for Youth and Sports Honorable Yusuf Mustafa say kobase e ball na so to say page na kwan e de fini de bren so betiansa aboa e ma niama etiansa toto yi
media and abana kura wache ye wo Ghana ye nim sports ministers bebraba we de me kan say ye west kura o
sports minister no brand wa bere so mo sesa no no mpe foforo be shemu
it's on sesa no it's important. Let me be fair. It's important. I'm not seeing anything. I'm not seeing anything that is there to help our football. I feel it at all.
In many I'm for the human to form. Now you people for the information. And so the party, I did so many way at the
minister. They were fairly poto bra. The omo nyini to genome per a branch of him ran. They say the kruma.
Ti Ghana for Komobia omobo abonteno ani akotwe de abafi se amanfo TV e wo sana nema esi ekoso efa the Ministry of Youth and Sports Honorable Yusuf Mustafa ho but entin to mo so e wo nkrafo fom dia as a ranking member for Youth Sports and Culture Committee na e wo mrahye ura kobna mensa uyome ono so de ne komo akratian sa tudwa efa sana nema esi eko e wo Ghana ha and the National Sport Authority wo mo so adwuma wo mo ye e de emba amagana gudie no so ase ne nwenya na enwene de se no
just ineffective. They are not working, and they are disappointing Ghanaians. You see, the National Sports Authority are there to ensure that all national teams, including the Black Stars, all national teams across board, that's so far as sports is concerned. We have national teams across, but so far as football is concerned, Black Stars. National Sports Authority should have people with the capacity to be able to also assist and support decisions into the scouting process. Who goes into what? How do you select people across the country? The processes and so on. You understand? And help in getting people to the, you understand? And then have a certain degree of rapport with the technical handlers of the national teams to the extent that they will be able to suggest the way forward and so on. But the National Sports Authority has gone to sleep. Absolutely. So it's a matter you should take up. Go to them and find out from them whether they are really working. So far as this is concerned, I get in it. So there's the need, because National Sports Authority should not be sleeping on this. Because they are supposed to be working with the federations. The federations more or less are quasi-private and quite autonomous in terms of their affiliations with their international body. In this case, FA has their FIFA body, and then other entities and so on and so forth. So they work in that. But when it comes to the national teams, that belongs to you and I. The federations are just caretakers. Your money takes care of them. The National Sports Authority, in taking care of, in ensuring that your caretakers also perform and deliver, you also have a...
There's an EPM ranking member for Youth, Sports and Culture Committee, Honorable Kwabena Mensah Uyome, and Atene Council and Kumo Ejano, the National Sports Authority, Etajina, Professor Peter Chumesin and Kofo, a can party or mother to Chromo Crass up him, so dum cania, or show Momo Passo and Yadia and Sabitia come another, a Professor Crowco about to arrest in Mexico, some say Unya Mama Kumakubes and Sompe, in the Nunam Kuma Mufred CR7, only Jumedia, Ukudi and Umdi Pass and Pay, Tiway, and Kuma and Ne, Yedi air banner for Hossan and Emma Asiaco, our Ghana Gudim. Bibia Mitrema, a best the Prem Tubres Sports at Sabra Yum, and Opa Patrick was Sergeant Countryman Songo at the Fire for Fire, a bit in Southwest Sabrel, Media, Medin Comotre, and Necasade, and a Debo Su, Nemo, do Fire for Fire Brea, Patrick was Sergeant, the Ija, and the day ever was. So Game Park Games, the eagerly anticipated pick one game, no, and Abba, but more than that, so no between Sajim, waiting to one Ghana City Sanko Pim 300 150 Ghana cedis utwa ba ko bi a obedi 26 times stake no o pick numbers na 1 to 36 na wetin pick na do hajim na boa e masika abo asidi no nso wetin say dibi eno pa hono na Kingdom Herba e the Kingdom Garlic Bitters na Kingdom Garlic Capsules na ba obese immune system no obodi na campaign na yade bia entimi emora radium dia Kingdom Garlic Bitters and Kingdom Garlic Capsules afi New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules na medru no eboa e ma chema otimi bo adwuma yi mental stress na afi waist pain si free ho afi nso sexual weakness there one ne beton kwanta pai doing more extra power na obo adwuma e ma niama 1822 ye edema wo dwuma dia odimu tremendous capsules edroi eya adwuma tremendous bomodian da se wo sabetia akabia no so betia boa e ma niama atoto yi dem ma we ya buy wa candidates white filter na so di po na achewa yi free ho afi Kingdom Home Estate ede edan papa na aba ye CCTV cameras so ma ebo ma bambo ho sem de niama atoto yi ye wonyam kanea eya adwuma standby generator san ho afi nsusu no ba wa o Kingdom Home Estate akache a some few meters drive na do ni akire every botanical gardens boti force safari resort na fetete kwashi memorial hospital obetia sanko afi omo akropon right after the junction no on sabeka Kingdom Home Estate pedan papa bito na emwamo asomu entanyo obetia frɛ Kingdom 4053 614 9961 053 614 9961 na one Kingdom yentwenko ka Kingdom a ɔse no challenger wo mo ne tɛkyire bo amena no penso yɛde nkomodede e Ghana gudim ejao within the Prof EK Wallace a good catch back up and of course within evidence based presentation to ejao rather than any manual kesi if you be the so ni fan ko be the so the act of being a good guest is to now to say good morning.